Happy birthday, gorgeous.
Thank you.
Ooh, give me some flips, some dips, honey.
I ain't ready for all this. I don't want to mess it up. Man.
You ain't gonna mess that up, baby.
I ain't. It's long, too. It's on my motherfucking birthday.
So just really quick here, I'm going to show you guys how to find your color code and keep your color code on a page so that you can easily get to it as you work through your multiple designs for your website. So just fast forwarding here, I have two logos here that I'm going to get the color codes for. So I took just an element, I just used a regular shape. So it'll show you here lines and shapes. So just pick a shape, any shape doesn't matter. Just put a whole bunch here, and when you put one and you press this button here, you can make multiple. So you just keep pressing it, and then you'll have a few to go here. So we're going to change the color of each one of these to match each logo up here. Okay, so just really quick, this is the first logo we're going to work on. And to find the color codes, once you already put something on your screen on your web page to design, it'll automatically in Canva. I'm not sure if it's just the pro version or if any version, but I'm pretty sure it's in any version that you can get the color codes for. So this first square that we're going to edit, see when I click on here, it has this box here. That's where you're going to edit that color of this box, okay? So I'm going to click here, and you see here photo colors. It'll already show you depending on which photo that you have on here. So if I put another photo here, it'll have that photo here and the color codes of that photo. So for this photo, we have white. Okay, we have this black. And I always want to make sure you click on the exact color, because this may look black, but it may not be the same black as this. This is a little lighter than this one, if you can tell. That one is a little lighter than this one. This one is a little lighter than that one. So this box, you're going to click on the next box. We're going to make it pink. So you see we have the white, we have the black, we have the pink. We have another one here. I'm just going to move this on up right here just a little bit more. I'm just doing the cement that has that tan there. Pull this over here. And there's that gray. Okay, so now you have this color, this color, this color, this color, and this color. Okay, to address this logo here. So for this logo here, we're going to just do the same thing. We're going to click on the one, click on here. So we see that this one has 4. So we're going to do one white. We're going to do the next one. Black, change that color. We're going to line this one up and do that pink. We're going to line this up and do that hot pink. Let's delete this F. I'm not sure why it's there. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you get the color codes for your logos.